If you need some ideas, how about holiday pasta? Because we know the perfect person for that.
These are not cookies and they're not frosting. They're actually pasta, more specifically gnocchi. It's my latest weird pasta experiment inspired by the wreath cookies that my dad makes every year for Christmas. They were not easy to make, but I think they turned out super cute, and of course they needed little pasta bows to go on them. They went into the water and they did their little dance floating around. Gnocchi does not have to cook very long. Once they float to the surface, they're done, and these survived perfectly intact. I made a garlic cream sauce to go with them. I don't know, maybe I was going for some snow vibes, and they were yummy. I will definitely make this one again.
Okay.
I mean,
so let that soak in. We first introduced you to Danny Loves Pasta a few months ago. We made some fall-themed pasta together.
Oh, that was
How could you
divine.
forget?
He is known for his creative and colorful pasta designs, and today he's showing us how to make some fun holiday pasta shapes. Danny, welcome back.
Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
First of all, I feel like this should be in the Smithsonian.
I know.
This is truly artwork.
Thank you. Thank you. It's all pasta. It's all fresh pasta, ravioli made with
All right.
natural ingredients.
Fantastic, even better. Some congratulations,
yes,
are in order
congratulations
before we
are-
get down to the business of the business.
We heard there is a new child in the pasta family.
Yes, yes. Last time I was here, I had a 3-year-old daughter. Now my husband and I have a new baby too, so there's not a lot of sleep going on in our house.
Congratulations.
Thank
And
you.
still he
this.
finds the time to make all these beautiful creations out of pasta.
Oh my gosh, so what are some of the traditions that you do with your family for the holidays?
Well, growing up, we always decorated Christmas cookies, like a lot of people do. Now my husband is Jewish, so we celebrate Hanukkah
Excellent.
and Christmas. So
Good. The more the
we're
merrier.
doing Hanukkah cookies, we're doing Christmas cookies, and a couple years ago, I decided, why don't we take that Christmas cookie idea and turn it into pasta?
course.
So that's
Of
how
course
this
you
was all born.
This brain
Instead of
over here.
decorating
Yeah.
Christmas cookies, the last few years we've decorated ravioli.
Well, let's get started.
Can we get right into it? What are we making today? Gingerbread
Sure,
shaped
yes.
pasta?
We have Christmas tree and gingerbread pasta. So these are raviolis.
That one's got a nice fat tummy.
They're filled with ricotta and pecorino.
Oh
so
my God, heaven.
cheese fillings. I rolled out the dough already. All these doughs are made with vegetables and spices. So the green is spinach dough. The brown is actually whole wheat pasta dough.
Oh.
We've got some turmeric, some beets. So all
Fascinating.
natural ingredients.
All
I roll them
natural.
out. I fill them. You remember, this is what we did last time. We filled them
Yes.
up.
That's right.
So now we're just doing the decorating.
Oh,
So-
good.
All right. So I have at each station, I've got some cookie cutters and some pasta dough I've rolled out. So all I
Okay.
do is punch a little shape, whatever shape you want, and I use water. So if your dough has dried out at all, I've got some water here. You just brush on a little bit of water.
May I use your water as
Yes,
well?
of course. And just stick on your shape like that. You do not want any ornaments floating in the boiling water when you cook these. So
Right.
They have to be
press
stuck
them
on.
down good. You don't want to pop them either, but just give them a little push.
Okay.
Press them down, stick your stars on, stick your shapes on. I have some shapes already made, but you can cut out
Be
others.
different.
cut-
I'm gonna
I'm
put my
gonna
star
cut
at the
one.
top.
Yeah, and that's really easy. Just press down.
I did not know they made little press thingies this little.
These are really for like cake decorating, for fondants. I've had to, turn them into pasta tools, but
Okay.
you just push them down.
I need
All
his
right.
buttons.
I
Use
like
a
your
little
little
bit
ones,
of water as glue. And then if your dough gets too sticky, I have flour here. You could brush on a little bit of flour.
Okay.
But otherwise, I just
That's
use a little bit
very
of water as
meta.
glue.
You have a gingerbread man in the gingerbread man.
It's a little baby gingerbread
What?
man in
Oh
the
my
middle of the
God.
gingerbread. So that's it. It's really simple.
Okay.
It's fun. My daughter likes to be involved. She helped me with the gingerbread men. So it's. We've been doing it for a couple years. I don't know if this tradition is caught on. I might be the only one doing it, but it's a
Listen.
tradition in our house at least.
It sounds fun.
It's fun, and there is someone out there doing the same exact thing. And just a reminder, so you just use regular cookie cutters when you're making the shapes of the pasta?
Regular cookie cutter. So I just use this cookie cutter here for the trees.
Unbelievable.
You roll out the dough. You fill it with filling. So I either just spoon the filling in, or I use a piping bag. Just fill it with filling.
Yeah.
Put dough on top, and push down with the cookie cutter.
Now, how
Oh
long
my
does this
God.
take
Just
in
gonna ask what that
earnest?
So making
Can
the
you
doughs.
do it in steps? Like, can you do the dough?
Yeah, you can make the doughs first, and my
now-
secret is I make a lot of this dough in a food processor.
It's all right. You know
You
what?
know.
It's okay.
What's
Give your
the
arms a
secret- your
rest.
secret
Give your
to
arms a
save
rest.
us?
Put the
Jinx.
flour, put the eggs in a food processor, blend it up, and it kneads it for you. So that saves a lot of
That
time.
saves a lot of time,
You can
okay.
freeze the dough
Okay.
for when you're ready for it, and then when you're ready, roll it out either with a pasta machine or with a rolling pin.
It's
Okay.
a nice pasta.
And just get started.
And
so
same thing.
It's pretty simple,
So you
really.
did your gingerbread, you did your
tree. Look at the garland.
and
How
then
cute.
look at this snow
It's-
fella.
We've
He's
got
a snow
snowman. I've
fella.
got these little
Okay.
wreaths. I just went into my cookie cutter collection and saw what I had. That
Oh
was
my
really-
God.
Have you
Cook-
left,
he has a cookie cutter collection.
have you left cookies Are they in your rearview mirror?
I do
made
like to
cake?
bake. I do like to bake.
Okay.
Holiday baking, of course. I don't think I'm gonna do sugar cookies like this because
Okay.
I got the ravioli, but there's a
I
whole
mean, come
other
on.
spectrum of holiday cookies
That's
you can
like a
make.
72-hour business if
believe
you
it's
do all of this work for the.
By the way, I've never seen her work this hard.
Yeah, I was very
It's looking
silent over
good.
here for a
This is-
second. I'm
this
sorry.
is
I was
serious.
She's kind
focusing.
of a pro.
So last time you got your toddler's reaction, or you wanted to get her reaction with your character
Oh, yeah.
cartoons. Remind us what some of them were she liked, didn't like.
Her favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig.
Right.
She's 3. She likes
Peppa
Bluey.
Pig.
She did not know SpongeBob. She did not know Pikachu. I tried those.
It's okay.
But, you know, she's still young.
We saw that you made Pennywise and Ghostface.
Yeah, I did some Halloween pasta. We got some spooky pasta.
How did that go over? She wasn't scared?
She thought the Ghostface was a penguin. So
Okay,
she didn't
that's
quite
fine.
know.
Okay.
That will work for sure.
Yeah.
Well, you have outdone yourself
Oh, the Ghostface.
yet again.
Oh, my God.
Yet again.
so
Thank
good.
you so much. Now, if we were actually going to put this in some water and eat, how long
Yeah,
would
so
we
people
do?
always ask me, like, is this the color going to hold up?
Yeah.
Are the ornaments going to fall off? So over there, that's all cooked. So you can see it looks pretty
It's
much
all
the same. It holds
beautiful.
up. You just put it in boiling water. It cooks in 3 or 4 minutes.
incredible.
You may have a floating ornament somewhere, but if you push your ornaments
part of the
down
fun.
hard enough,
Yeah.
they won't float away. And they look just as good.
Precious.
And you can get all the instructions in my cookbook, Danny Loves Pasta. I actually put the
Yeah, look at how
full
beautiful this
instructions
book
for the
is,
Christmas
too,
trees
by the
in
way.
there.
I mean, Scott, can you see this?
Gorgeous.
It's very aesthetically
Yeah.
pleasing.
Danny,
I love it. So rainbowy.
You've knocked it out of the park yet again. You can follow Danny on Instagram and TikTok at Danny Loves Pasta. Be sure to pick up his Danny Loves Pasta cookbook wherever you get
It's gorgeous.
yours.
Look at her. She's so beautiful.